channel ND Haryana, first interview and English interview. Namaskar.
Namaskar. I am thankful to your channel for this act of kindness. Actually, at least you have given me a chance to speak through your channel. So my name is Opit Daya. I am ex-service man. Moreover, I am farmer's son also.
What do you say that about that the admin's problems created by government of 26 January of and January Rakesh Tikkat that stay has been taken by the BJP government?
In lieu of that, very good question you have done it. In lieu of that, I want to say that government has derailed our this thing route. They have blocked our this route. Have been decided that they have blocked that. Barricades have been standing there. People's supports have been deployed there. So they have shown us some another route. They have diverted the route, and you can say that was leading towards any Red Fort of India. That's why this our tractors really have been reached there in campus of this Red Fort.
Okay. Why you have generally at protest of the farmer protest?
Firstly, I am a son of a farmer. After that, I am a soldier. That's why I am protesting this protest. Why? Because my fathers and forefathers are joining this, and they are protesting against their rights in lieu of these black bills. So that's why I joined this protest.
Sometime and on the occasion of 26 January, that in accident has happened. Do you say that about the matter?
In lieu of Rakesh Tikkat.
No.
That incident has taken place on 26th of January. That's why you can say unfair it was totally. Why? Because this government is misleading to our this protest peoples, which were leading in this protest. So they were misguiding these or poor farmers and innocent farmers because they are not aware of this route of this Delhi area. So this is the totally, you can say, false the valor of this our Delhi police, which they have given the route. So why they have diverted in between.
The farmers' routes and Delhi police and first day and route and because to going to decided route.
That was decided routes have not been cleared by this traffic police or Delhi police. So that's why they have shown us, they have diverted our route, because that's why we have gone to the Red Fort area. Otherwise, we were never gone that side. Why? Because earlier our young leaders have given their sign on that particular route which have been given to us.
What do you say about that admin's problem created by?
This admin problem created by our this ruling government. They want to mislead this protest, that they want that our this protest will be the you can say not be in the right direction. So they want to misuse their powers on that occasion. So that they have taken issues. So many issues are there. So on that issues, I am not talking more. Ultimately, this credit goes to this ruling government only. So regarding this Mahendra Singh Tikkat also, they have taken steps that was totally wrong, and that was not actually acceptable by this our protester peoples of this Kisan Andolans. That have been rejected. That has been boycotted by our these protesters and these young leaders also. But they are not. This is the you can say fighting between these farmers and the ruling government against our these rights. So we got right to protest in a common quiet way. So we are sitting here on the Singhu border. So common quiet way we are continuing this protest, and this government wants to write off these matters, but it will not be write off as soon as possible. It will be the strengthened more day by day. Why? Because they have issued such a bills, that's Kisan Maru bill, you can say, or you can say death warrants assigned to us by this ruling governments in the shape of agricultural bills. So we are not going to accept them at any cost. We will not go back to our home safely. Our dead bodies will go back to our home safely. बिल वापसी तो घर वापसी.
जी. तो अभी जो इंडियन गवर्नमेंट्स पीएम प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी MSP इज द राइट एंड बैक टाइम सम टाइम और लाइफ टाइम इज द MSP already.
MSP is already implemented, but not in the right shape. It's not any feasible way, you can say, that has been implemented. Why? Because the farmers from the Bihar and another parts of this country are coming to this our Punjab and Haryana, and they are laboring here with our farmers. Why? Because this MSP profit they can get it here itself. They are no chance to get this rights in the So
what do your problems and 3 bills and contract farming at this your problem?
It's ultimately that's the right question you raised it here, because in MP, in this during this protest time, any 300 crores this fraud have been done by these corporates, big corporates, you can say, and in moreover in Punjab also 30 crores some fraud has been done by these corporates, agents, and their offices, and the particular person have not found so far. So they have issued the checks, but that checks, all the checks when our farmers have put in the bank, so that was any you can say bounce check, bounce हुए उनके बेचारों के, and now they are weeping on the road itself. So that's a totally wrong steps taken by this ruling.
Actually, just time and Shingu border and protest farmer. What condition?
Yes, going on common way. शांतिपूर्वक ढंग से हमारा आंदोलन चल रहा है, and it will be the continue up to the यानी you can say 2024 up to 24 it will be continue. Let it be 6 years, 5 years. It will be continue like this only. So we will not go back to our homes unless this government will not cancel these black bills. Residing by the side of this, they are telling us that you must not go. Peacefully you are taking part. So we got no, absolutely they got no problem with this protest. Why? Because they are feeding with us. So they are roaming here itself. You can see more than 3 lakhs people are dining here in our this protesters, among these protesters. So they got no problem actually. That problem have been created by BJP, MLAs and RSS some agents. So that has been negotiated by these protesters of this Kisan Andolan. So that's no issue. In lieu of that, will be continue.
You are old man and lifetime English use.
Yeah.
Lifetime use.
Lifetime, I can survive here better.
Only English.
Only English I am surviving with this.
Not use Hindi.
No, I can speak in Hindi also, but that's a little bit, I am weak in that, you can say, subject. So ultimately the best message I can give through your ND Haryana TV channel, so through English only, so this will be better, that you can understand well, and our population that's educated, you can say people can understand well. That's why this message is going towards foreign countries also, Gulf countries also. So that's why I'm speaking English, and through your channel I want to prove that this our agriculture minister have told this thing earlier. He said we should notice that they are the illiterate and poor farmers, so they are unable to understand the language of this agricultural bill. That's why I'm speaking in English on your Hindi TV Haryana channel.
Thank you.
Thank
So one question, one point ki your job actually किस चीज़ में आप जॉब करते हैं?
Yes, I have been actually I have been served in Indian Air Force, fighters base, you can say, in the fighter wings. So for 20 years, then I have taken various bases. I have taken in discharge from the Indian Air Force. So I am thankful to you for this act of kindness. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. भाई दोबारा. This some English language interview. Please support this channel and share video, comments, like. Thank you.